Bleh. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to force a copy in Google Slides or Google Docs. It's super useful when you want people to make their own version of a file without editing your original. So yeah, let's walk through the steps. First, open the file you want to share. It can be any Google Slides or Google Docs file. Just make sure you're the owner, or at least you have editing access. Now, go up to the address bar and copy the entire link. This link usually ends with something like edit or view or preview. We're going to change that part next. So here's the trick. Paste that link anywhere, like in a new tab or a Notes app, and delete everything after the last slash, then replace the ending with the word copy. This forces anyone who opens the link to make their own copy instead of touching your original file. Once your link ends with copy, just share that link anywhere, email, classroom, WhatsApp, wherever. When someone clicks it, Google automatically asks them to make a copy. No one can open the original unless you change the permissions. And a bonus tip. If you ever want to force a download instead of a copy, just replace the ending with export format equals PDF. Yeah, that instantly downloads the file as a PDF. And that's basically it. Now you know how to force a copy for any Google Slides or Google Docs file. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. All right, see you in the next one.